How to log in to crypto.com. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to log in to your crypto.com account. So be sure to watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser of your choice, and once you have opened that, in the search bar, simply type crypto.com and press enter, and after that you'll be prompted to the login page. Now here you simply need to enter the email address linked to your account, and after that you simply have to type your password in the password field, and you can double check your credentials to avoid any login errors, and once you're done with that you can simply click on sign in. And if you have forgotten your password, you can click on forget your password, and you can follow the on-screen instruction to reset it. And if you don't have an account yet, you can simply click on sign up now and complete the registration process. And once you have entered the credential, you can simply hit sign in, and after that the verification code will be sent to your email. So you simply have to enter that verification code in the provided field, and after that you can simply click on submit, and that's it. By doing this, you will be logged in to your crypto.com account. And that's all there is to it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.